Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic, and I have been for the past 5 years. I'm absolutely obsessed. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing and then letting me know in the comments below that you're a brand new subscriber. I love to personally welcome all of my new subscribers. It means the world to me when you subscribe. It's absolutely, it warms my heart. I just love it so much. I also want to put in a tiny little disclaimer that I've been having a little bit of issues with my comment section. I've had people commenting and I get emails that, and I can fully read the whole comment. But then when I come here to read the comment and then reply to it, like it, all those things, it's totally gone. So I wanted to see if I can have some help where you guys go into your settings and see if you are on restricted mode or if you have your subscriptions and your comments to be private, because that is possible. So I just want to, try and see what the issue is and get it resolved, because I want to make sure that I can reply to all of you. So if you can help me with that, that would be great. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. I am making a BUJO spread this week. I am using this Happy Quotes book. This book, being called Happy Quotes, has always really confused me because it honestly seems more like a color storybook, if I'm being honest. There's a lot of different themes in here. At the back, there's some quotes, but other than that, like, most of it is boxes. I don't know. So anyways, I am using this page right, where'd it go? This page. Okay, I'm using these plants, and I thought it would be really cute to make another BUJO spread. I'm going to make it like squares. Last time I did circles, and I want to do squares so that I can put the plant on kind of like the ledge in each box and make it really cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so some of the boxes will have 2, some will have 1, right? Yes. Okay. So I'm going to pop on some music and just plan and enjoy making the page. If you have any comments or concerns or anything, definitely put them in the comments below so I can get back to you and help you as well. I really, really like making BUJO spreads. It's a way to like be extra creative and make it fun. So I hope you enjoy watching. I think I am all done. Oh, last thing I wanted to do, this is always like so cute. I really like to find a matching color. Maybe this one, maybe this one. Let me see. Ooh, maybe this one. So let's go with that one, okay? Oh, I have so many Sharpies. Okay. So these days of the week, just to make them like stand out a little bit, I just kind of like write directly, kind of like I'm crossing it out, but I'm kind of like highlighting it, you know? I don't know. I like doing it. Also, I totally know. I know. I don't have a Saturday, but it's fine, is what I'm telling myself. Okay. So all I need to do is tape the pages together. And then I'll be done. Ugh. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. It is all done. Oh my goodness. I love making BUJO spreads. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. So I am focusing on like this kind of like orangish mango reddish color, which is obviously like the border of the page, and then the greens obviously, and turquoise. I love it. I wish I had a little bit more plants, like small ones, you know, like put some here, maybe a little one down here, little one up here, but it's fine. So for the rest of the week, different stickers that I pull are gonna have to be from other books because I've already used all of the plants, and the plants was my only theme, you know, so, but it's fine. I'm obsessed with this. So anyways, that's it. Let me know if you have any comments. I mean, if you have any questions, not comments. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.